In today's video, we're going to take a look at Apple, and I do want to share something about that 513 EMA combo that I like to use on the daily charts. And I will tell you that looks like the last buy signal was right around this area, way back when, where the 5 crossed above the 13, and we've been in a bullish mode ever since then. And then a few days ago, we actually got the crossover to the downside right over here. Okay, so that was the heads up that we might see at least a deeper downside correction. So obviously you know that if you were in the trading room, but if not, you don't. But I do have something for you, and that is a new support decision. Now, I'm not seeing any swing trade triggers against this yet, but I am going to anticipate that possibility. I've found quite a few projections of prior larger declines on this weekly chart, and I've projected those all from, the last high. And we have a cluster that comes in anywhere between this 282.14 to 286.88 area. Now, if price continues to hold above here, you're going to look for a buy trigger. Now, you can use, something like a 2-minute chart if you're just looking for a day trade. But if you're looking to keep it overnight, I'm going to recommend that you wait for either the 15-minute chart to trigger, which is the aggressive swing trade trigger, or the 30-minute, because a while back it did cross down to the downside, and I want to see it cross back up to confirm that this may be more important support. Now, this is what the 30-minute chart looked like. This is where we did end up having some old resistance up here. You ended up having your first sell signals here, another sell signal over here, and notice that the 834 EMA combo is still in a bearish mode, so it's not firing off buy triggers yet against that support. So yes, there is support where you can anticipate a possible low, but honestly, I would wait for those specific triggers and then define your risk underneath that zone. Now, some of you might just be a buyer against that area, but with this market the way it is, I'm not sure I want to risk that. So bottom line, we do have a setup as far as, a major support decision in Apple, but I want you to wait for the buy trigger.